Hi, I'm Nikki at Sacksteder's Interiors, and I just want to talk to you about our custom design work we do here at Sacksteder's. I'm one of the floral designers. We've been in business for 33 years, and we do a lot of custom floral arrangements. This one in particular is a nice large sleigh. We've added snowmen, some frosted poinsettias. We've added some frosted flocked pine with pine cones, little snowflake, another little snowman, and it's just super cute. If you have something at home that you want to bring in a sleigh, something that means something to you, we can make something up for you, or stop in. We have a ton of accessories, a ton of product. Come in and see us and we can make something up for you.